Get this, you'll never have to sift through all your customer interview footage to find the good sound bites ever again. Just have Descript's AI do it for you. Let me show you how. So let's say you're working on a case study video. You got your narrative, some screen recordings, some B-roll. All you need is some sound bites from the customer to give it credibility. So just upload all your customer interview footage to your project, then pay a visit to your pal Underlord down here. If you already got a video going and just want to add the sound bites, enter a prompt like this. Or if you're starting from scratch, you can just tell Underlord to make you a whole video just using quotes, like this. See, Underlord can not only read the words in your script, but it can actually watch your video. So it knows the context and other stuff that goes into choosing the best quotes. So you can just kick back and wait a few seconds while Underlord pores over all that footage. You know, the part that would have taken you like half the day. Let's be honest, the whole day. And bam! Next thing you know, you got a bunch of quotes placed in your video for maximum impact, or a narrative made out of the best quotes from your interview. Now you'll probably want to adjust the timing, add or tinker with the transitions, make a few other minor edits. But even so, you'll be ready to export a professional looking video in a fraction of the time it would have taken you on your own. At least I think. I never really understood the whole fraction thing. It doesn't make sense to me.